Hello, what is your name?
My name is Alniro Chano.
How old are you?
44 years old.
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Single mom.
Okay, do you have kids?
One.
How old?
16 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No.
So how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
My employer is living in Robinson's Road, mid-level Hong Kong.
Okay, how many square feet of your employer's house?
1,400.
How many family member there?
4 adults and twin baby.
Okay, so, how old are they?
2 years old.
2 years old. Okay, so, would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
My daily working time schedule, I wake up in the morning 5 a.m. Then, fix the baby, changing diapers. Then, put in the baby in the high chair. Then, after that, prepare the food for the baby, cooking the konjac or the noodles. And after preparing the food, feed the baby. After, make the baby sleeping. Then, after make the baby sleep, prepare the lunch for the baby. Then, afternoon, prepare the baby for bathing. After bathing, then prepare the foods for cooking. At 5:30 p.m., prepare the foods for the baby, cooking the rice and some foods for the baby. Then 6 p.m., feed the baby. Then after 6 p.m., prepare the cooking for the adults. Then 7 p.m., dinner time. After dinner time, while my employer's dinner time, I'm taking care of the baby. Then after taking care of the baby, fix or tidy up all things.
Okay.
Then feed the baby. After that, feed the baby with the milk. Then make the baby sleep.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed 10:30 p.m.
Okay, thank you.